A very good morning, my dear students. So, children, how are you all? Are you all fine? Okay, I think you all must be fine. Okay, so now do you remember, children, yesterday in EVS what we have studied? Yes, we have done the exercise of lesson number 4, and that was food and water. And I've also sent the PDF. You have to do it in your EVS notebook, all those exercises. Okay? Okay. Now, so today let's start lesson 5 in EVS, and the name of the lesson is Clothes I Need. So for that, with me, take out page number 24. Now it is clothes. Clothes I need. See, we all need clothes, na children, to protect ourselves, to cover our body, isn't it? So we all need clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, and dust. Okay. Now what we are doing, we are protecting ourselves from heat. Now heat means summer. Okay, in summer you wear clothes to protect yourself from heat. Heat means that time you wear cotton clothes. Then in cold, better cold is what? Winter, when it is very cold. Okay, you need woolen clothes. So there are different types of clothes also. Okay, so now in rainy season, okay, what you wear, raincoat like this. And dust, we protect ourselves from dust also by wearing clothes. Clothes cover our body and we look smart also. Then we wear clothes according to the weather and occasion. Yes, weather, as we have seen, summer season is there, summer. Okay, if it is hot, okay, we'll wear according to the hot weather, the clothes that we wear. Then if it is cold, if the weather is pleasant, if it is rainy, okay, so this is according to the weather. We wear clothes. Then according to occasion also. Now, what is occasion? If you are going for a birthday party, if you are going for a wedding, okay, then you wear. Then according to the party or if you are having festival, any occasion. So we wear clothes according to the weather and occasions. Now there are different types of clothes. Now let's see, we are in page 24. Let's see some example of clothes that man wears. Can you see in the picture? Shirt, shirt is there, then coat, pullover, trousers, t-shirt and tie. So these are the clothes worn by men. Okay. Now come to clothes for women. Now women also wear clothes, so their clothes differ from men. For example, let's see the clothes for women. Sari is there, dupatta, kameez, salwar, blouse and shawl. So these are some examples of the clothes which woman wears and some examples of clothes which man wears. So today we have seen examples of clothes worn by men and women. Okay, children. So for today only this much is enough, and what you can do, again you can go through this, you can see the picture, you can read the name example of clothes worn by man and woman. So clothes are very important for us because it protects ourselves from heat, cold, rain and dust, and we look smart also in clothes, and we wear clothes according to weather and occasions. So for today this much is enough. Tomorrow again we will be meeting. Tomorrow we will be continuing the same lesson. Okay children, so till then be good and take care, stay home, stay safe.